We're using a piece of OSB to protect the glass from breaking against the steel frame of the forklift mount. We had used this same piece to bring the windows up from the storage area, but dragged it back to the junk pile because we're trying to keep the place tidy while we build. I'm going to go ahead and issue my safety message right now. Don't try this at home. I'm not a paid professional, but I am building my own house. Don't do what I'm doing and then say that you did it because you saw me do it. We should probably have rails on the sides for safety, and people keep mentioning that we should have some sort of a strap to keep us from falling off the edge. I'm not sure that a strap would do us any good, and I think it would get in the way. But that's just my personal opinion. Again, don't try this at home. The platform is 8 feet wide, 4 feet deep. The window is about 6 feet 4 inches with the fins. So after we get the sealant on there, we work the window in one direction, I step by, pull the window back the other direction, and she steps by. And we lift it up and get it in place. I've had a lot of people say build a scaffold. I don't have a scaffold. I don't have any scaffolding. But I did have a tractor, and I did have a pallet. After putting the window in, I go inside, make sure the shims are where they're supposed to be, adjust it to the middle of the window frame, and then we start screwing it in. It really doesn't have a chance to do anything but be plumb and square because the window frame is so perfectly plumb and square. In the comments, I had a few people mention that I should leave my sealant inside the tractor or on the heater vent inside the truck to keep it nice and warm. I was having a lot of trouble getting the sealant to come out when it was at regular outside temperatures. people suggest that we just use nails. I've had people suggest that we just nail every other slot on the nailing fin. I've had people suggest that I use screws. And I've had people say that I don't need to seal it. I've had all kinds of suggestions. But since we're building this house for ourselves and we want it to last, I'm putting sealant both on the house and then I put it on the nailing fin. And I'm using an indoor-outdoor rated cabinet screw with a very flat, low-profile head. Jafana said your drone started to make a funny noise. It was beeping, letting us know that the batteries were running out, and so it put itself to sleep. It went back to where I'd launched it and landed. One of the miracles of modern technology.
We've been making really good time today. Unfortunately, I think we're going to run out of time, not be able to knock out these others, but we're definitely going to get 3 for the day. So, not what I wanted for the weekend, but we got the Tyvek taken care of in the front. We got the platform built, and we've already gotten 2 windows in, and we've got another hour of daylight left. So, we'll be able to get this one in here without a problem. Well, look at that. Didn't get all 5 of them, but we got 3 of them. And I think it looks pretty darn good. That little quick platform that we put together works pretty well. And you can see I went down there and swapped out the post hole digger for the box blade before we got started today, because I wanted to be able to put that down in the back to help keep the tractor from rolling away if that brake gave up. I've never had that emergency brake or park brake, whatever it is. I've never had the brake come off and start moving, but I didn't want this to be the first time when we're standing up on top of it. Now you can see the snow is rolling in over there on the mountain, and it's starting to fall right here. We're supposed to get a 1/2 inch. I don't know if that's supposed to be a 1/2 inch of rain or a 1/2 inch of snow, but we're getting something. I didn't want to start working on this 4th one over here, even though we have a little bit of daylight left. I kind of felt like if we'd have pushed, we could have got it. But with this precipitation coming in, I don't want to take a chance of either it starts to rain on me and I have to stop, or it gets too dark and I don't do a good job flashing it and the water gets behind it. So I think we're better off if we just wait till next weekend.
It's snowing.
Yeah. It is snowing.
Big flakes.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look over there. Clouds of snow are starting to roll in. Well, here we go. Here's the snow. Well, that's it for the weekend. We're pretty happy with what we got done. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard. We'll be here.
Good night. It's snowing.
It's snowing. Oh, God. Fall down. I'm getting tired. Oh, yeah. What do you call it, honey? It's a crap. It's not conglomeration. What is a
Collaboration.
collaboration? Thank you. I don't speak English. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it already. And and come on back and check us out again at Break Hard Orchard. And before we go, we just want to share. It's wintertime, but it sure is pretty.